How to get better sleep at night? Experience the long-term benefits from sleeping well. For one, you will feel better every day, wake up more fresh and happy, more focus and productivity during the day. Have a better mood, fewer mood swings, and better relationships. Slow the aging process, get better skin and overall health, a stronger body for every day. We share with you a few important tips we have learned on how to improve sleep quality and efficiency. Some of these ideas might be new to you or not very popular, but our opinion is they will make a difference over time. Have a regular bedtime and wake-up schedule, including weekends. Finish eating meals at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime to give your body enough time to digest before sleeping. Drink less stimulants such as caffeine and coffee. According to the 2001 Sleep in America poll, 43% of Americans are very likely to use caffeinated drinks to combat daytime sleepiness, for instance, coffee, tea, energy drinks. Then, alcohol at night, leading to a repeated cycle of stimulants, then depressants. Initial amounts of alcohol can be a stimulant, then lead to excessive consumption that act as a depressant or sedative. Caffeine in moderate doses can cause insomnia, anxiety, sleep disturbance. Caffeine stimulates production of adrenaline, a hormone that boosts alertness, raises the heart rate, which are bad for sleeping. Limit consumption of caffeine and alcohol to sleep less disrupted later in the night. Eat a healthy diet to boost melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone that helps with sleep. Tart cherries help the body produce melatonin. Powbab tart cherry supplement bites deliver tart cherry to naturally boost production of melatonin and help with relieving sore muscles. Improve your sleep environment with a comfortable mattress. Create a quiet, comfortable, cool temperature, humidity level room. Keep it dark with blackout shades, no outside light. No cell phones in the bedroom or LED lights during the night. LED simulates bright white spectrum sunlight using blue light, causing the eyes and body to wake up. Screens and energy-efficient lighting increase blue wavelength exposure, and this light suppresses secretion of melatonin. Reduce EMF when you sleep. EMF stands for electromagnetic field. Wi-Fi, smartphones, cell towers, smart meters all emit EMF. You can measure your radiation exposure by buying a meter. Studies dating back to the 1950s and 60s show our nervous system is the organ most sensitive to EMFs. Animals exposed to EMFs showed massive cumulative effects in the brain. Consequences of chronic EMF exposure to the brain include anxiety, depression, autism, and Alzheimer's disease. Excessive exposure contributes to reproductive problems in both men and women. So what can we do to reduce radiation and improve our sleep? Number 1, shut off the Wi-Fi when you sleep. Use a battery-powered alarm clock, one without any light. Never sleep with your cell phone. Avoid using smart appliances, thermostats, TV, baby monitor that depend on wireless signaling. Refuse smart meters or add a shield to existing smart meter. Move away from transformers and any smart meter wall of a building. Eat more antioxidants. We hope you find these tips helpful and relevant to getting better sleep every night from here on out. May you have sweet dreams, better rest, and better health. For more information and our products, check us out at powbab.com.